Welcome back to our new episode. Last video's link is in description. Today's topic is rhinoceros. If you are interested, please continue watching this video. Rhinoceros is a Greek word meaning nose-horned. Rhinos belong to Rhinoceratidae family. Today 5 species of rhinos are found, in which 2 are African and others are Asian. Here comes the first species, white rhinoceros. They are the largest rhino species. It has 2 subspecies, northern white rhinoceros and southern white rhinoceros. Here comes the second rhino species, black rhinoceros. Black color is a misnomer as it can vary from gray to brown. First subspecies is southern black rhinoceros, which has gone extinct. Next is northeastern black rhino, which also has gone extinct. Next is Cho black rhino, Uganda black rhino, western black rhinoceros, eastern black rhinoceros. Last of the species are south central black rhino and southwestern black rhino. Third rhino species is Indian one-horned rhinoceros. This species is found in Indian subcontinent. Today only 2,575 Indian rhinos are found. Here comes the fourth species, Javan rhinoceros. They are smaller in size and only males have horns. They are found in Indonesia. Last species is Sumatran rhinoceros. It's the only 2-horned Asian rhino species. It is believed that rhinos' horns have medicinal properties, but it's a myth. Their horns are made up of keratin, the same substance from which our nails are made too, and they don't have any medicinal properties. So, stop killing them for their horns. Fun fact, rhinos have poor eyesight, but they depend on their smell and hearing abilities. Rhinos have gestation period of 15 to 16 months. When rhinos are happy, they make a mwink sound. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Coming up next, Komodo dragon.